Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. In this video, I am going to share the information regarding the latest off-campus recruitment from Capgemini. Now they are calling it as the Capgemini XLR off-campus drive for 2021 graduates. Now this at the entry level the salary is 3 lakhs. Now this CTC 3 lakhs is what is mentioned in the Superset platform, but some of our friends told me that this 3 lakhs is at the training level, and after the training period is over it is 4 lakhs. But since this is what the CTC that is mentioned in the Superset platform, I'm just sharing this information. Now the last date to apply is 7th of March is what mentioned in the Capgemini official notification page, but the Superset says it is 10th March, but probably it should be 7th March. But anyhow, if you are eligible, and if you are willing to apply for this, please do apply at the earliest. Okay, so you can consider 7th March as the last date, though Superset says it's 10th March, and it is given in the official page that the assessment will start from 8th of March. Okay, so just the next day assessment will start. Okay, and then subsequently interview will happen probably like 2 weeks from the assessment date, you can expect. Okay, now coming to the qualification, BE BTech, it is open for all branches of BE BTech, and then in ME MTech, and this time they have also included MSc. So in ME MTech, MSc, IT, Information Science and Computer Science, these branches are eligible, and of course MCA also eligible. And percentage criteria, they've just mentioned 50%. Okay, so 50% is only is what they have expecting, minimum of 50%. Okay, and there should not be any backlogs. And regarding break, this time they have not mentioned anything regarding break. Okay, so I don't have that information now. So this is only for the 2021 graduates. Okay, so BE BTech, ME MTech, MSc, and ME MTech MSc only the particular branches, and also MCA 2021 batch. And please remember, there is also a service agreement. Okay, that is, you have to sign a bond, and of course should be willing to relocate. Okay, should possess good written and spoken communication skills in English, right? And also please remember, only shortlisted candidate will be invited for the assessment, and mode of selection will be completely in the virtual mode. Okay, and it is the responsibility of the candidates to arrange for the laptop or desktop and other internet and other infrastructure facilities. Now coming to the assessment process. Okay, so usually they have an MCQ based pseudo code. Now this time they have not mentioned it. Okay, so they just mentioned MCQ based English communication test, and then the game based aptitude test, and behavioral competency profiling, and then the interview process. Now please remember the step 1. Okay, in the exam usually what happens is that let's say step 1 here is the MCQ based English communication test. Now if only if you qualify that, if you get the minimum cutoff, then you go for the game based aptitude test, right? Now if only if you qualify the game based aptitude test, then you go for the behavioral profiling and so on. Okay, right? So in our channel Learning About, we have videos related to game based aptitude test. It's available in both English and Tamil, and as far as the MCQ based English communication test is concerned, we have a practice platform. Okay, so link to all the relevant materials is given in the description below. You can make use of it. And they also mentioned that just because, see, a behavioral competency profiling test, if you take that, so it is like a psychometric test. Now if you take the test, you will get a work style report. Now merely because you get the work style report, that doesn't mean that you have qualified the written test. Okay, so that is something that they have mentioned. So after all the written test, okay, so probably 2 weeks from that, or 2 to 3 weeks from that, you will get the interview. Okay, so this is the selection process. And about the hiring, they have mentioned that post the hiring, you will undergo post the final selection, you will undergo training, and this training is imparted on diverse technologies, insight and data, digital technologies, enterprise application solutions, cloud infra services, web technologies, testing and system technologies. Okay, and the allocation of technology depends on the business demands and also your credentials. This is what they usually mention, and the location is like Bangalore, Bhubaneswar, Chennai, Coimbatore, Gandhinagar, Gurugram, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mumbai, Noida, Pune, Salem and Tiruchirappalli. These are the Capgemini locations. Now how to apply? So the link to apply is given in the description below. You have to apply through Superset platform. So Superset platform, it's a platform that connects the companies, the job seekers and the college. Okay, so in this case just the company and the job seeker. Okay, now if you already have a profile, just click on the apply now and then like enter your email ID and the password, and then apply for this particular drive, and if it is accepted, it will show that application is received. If it is not accepted, it will say, for example, if you are from a different batch, it will not accept. Okay, so it will give you the reason why it is not accepted, right? If it is accepted, the status will be application received. Now if you don't have a profile, it's very easy to create a profile. I've done a separate video on that. Link to those videos are also given in the description below. Anyhow, I'll just quickly tell you. So enter your email ID, and then let's click on, if you are registering for the first time, click on register and apply. Then you have to enter your basic details like your name, date of birth, gender, college, primary email ID, mobile number, etc. And then you have to verify your email ID. And now this part you have to enter it very carefully, because this you cannot edit, so enter it very carefully. Then once you get the OTP, enter the OTP, and then so that's your basic details. Then you have to enter your contact details, most recent education, previous education like 10th and 12th, and internship and work experience if any, and then you have to upload your photo, and also you have to upload your resume in the PDF format. Okay, now then finally again you have to click on that apply now, and then you have to apply. And then, as I said before, the application status will be application received if it is accepted. If it is rejected, it will tell you the reason why it is rejected. Okay, now if you have any queries, please do post your questions in the comment section below. And if you like this information, if you like this information, click on the like button and share it with your friends who may need it. And if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.